Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to change the sensitive content on X. So for this one I will use my browser because when I use my X mobile application I simply cannot see such function in my settings. So if you have this problem as well, then use your browser, and if not, it's completely okay if you use your mobile application because the process and all the steps are completely identical. So just follow my instructions and I'm sure that you can do it. So I signed into my X account in my website, and in the top left I want to tap my profile picture and scroll to settings and privacy, and then you want to find privacy and safety right here and go to a section that says content you use. So what you are looking for is this one, display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to basically see sensitive content on your X feed, then you want to make sure that you have tick put in this checkbox next to this function, and if not, simply remove it so that it was empty like this. And additionally, if you want to hide sensitive content from your search settings right here, then you want to make sure that you have your tick in this checkbox next to hide sensitive content function. And if not, if you want to see your sensitive content, then you should remove this tick. So that's basically how you can change sensitive content on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.